All right, that was nice, wasn't it? All right, I'm Cookie. You're on Cookie's Crib. We're gonna have a walk around in my TruGreen yard. Everything looks damn good. Nothing to complain about, but I'm doing a weekly series on how the yard's coming along since the first of the year when it looked really crappy. So we'll do a regular walk around and we'll get started. So let's go see what we've got. You're not gonna see, now you're probably not gonna see any weeds today because it's just how good the yard looks. It's sunny and 76 degrees today, and it's damn near middle of June. Went ahead and mowed the yard today. Looks gorgeous. I think all the kids have gone in for the day. They've been out running about. We've had a lot of thunderstorms come through, but nothing too bad. As you can see, weekly update is looking really good. Try to do the same walk pattern every time we do our videos so you get an idea. If you see anything, point it out. I know I've got a few bare spots, but they're coming in. I've not worked on them a whole lot this year. I got a new mountain bike today, and well, there'll be an interview, or not an interview, but a review on it. I think Smokey just spotted me. But as you can see, the yard looks, I would call it immaculate. Smokey! I see you. He just wants some loving. Do you want loving? I don't know if y'all can see him over there, but that's Smokey. But back to the yard. Pretty. Looks really good. And right there you go. Hard to argue with that. But we'll continue our walkthrough and let you see. Because over here, if you go back to the first video, in here was absolutely terrible. Had another really terrible area right over in here. It, for some odd reason, isn't looking 100% the best, but it could be better. The sun's so bright right now you can't really see, but got out here and sprayed some of the violet, trying to kill it out again. You don't see too much of it. Looks like I might have missed a spot with the mower. No, it's just the way it looked. Well, what do you think? I've had a few people start leaving comments here and there, and I do appreciate those. You know, no one's critiquing me. I mean, if you don't like something, let me know. It can just make the channel better, or I hope it does make the channel better. I'll try and change to make things better. Matter of fact, that's what needs to be going on in the nation right now, is a lot of change. But I'm not going to get on that. This yard looks really good. We're not going to argue about it. Or are we? Just leave me a comment. I could use a few more subscribers. I'm up to 110. I'm proud of those 110. You know, that's people taking their time out of their day to hear what hear what I have to say. So I've got like 94% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribing, so I could use your subscribership. And I guess this is going to do it for today's video. So whenever you think about it, reach down there and push that button. Get down there. Give me a like. Where is it? Where'd it go? But anyway, like and subscribe. I could use the help. But I guess other than that, we're gonna go see our little buddy the rabbit. And just remember, if it's not a blade of grass, it's a damn weed. TruGreen will kill it.